Good morning, dear students. Here we will start chapter number 15, Introduction to Graph. So here firstly, we will know some basic things about the graph. Maybe you have seen in the newspaper, television, magazine and books. You have seen graphs in the newspaper, television, magazines and books. The purpose of the graph is to show numerical facts in the visual form so they can be understood quickly, easy and clearly. Graphs are visual representation of data collection. Data can also be presented in the form of a table. However, a graphical presentation is easier to understand. Here we will start exercise 15.1, question number 1. You can see here the following graph shows the temperature of a patient in a hospital recorded every hour. So here, what was the patient's temperature at 1 p.m.? When was the patient temperature? 30 degree, 38.5 degrees Celsius. The patient's temperature was the same two times during the period. Given what were whose time were these two times. And question next, what was the temperature at 1:30 p.m.? How did you arrive at your answer? And next, during which period did the patient temperature showed an upward trend? And so these are the questions. There we have to give the answers. So we will see here the answers also. So question number was, when was the patient temperature at 1 p.m.? So you can see here at 1 p.m. the patient's temperature was 36.5 degree Celsius. You can see in the graph. In this graph you can see what was the patient's temperature at 1 p.m. So you can see this is the time and this is the temperature. So in this time, that means 1 p.m. and temperature is 36.5. This is 36 and this is 37 and midpoint is zero point 0.5. So we can write as the patient's temperature at 1 p.m. Was the 36.5 degree Celsius. This is the question number 1. And question number 2, when was the patient's temperature 38 point degree Celsius? So you can see here 38.5. So at what time temperature is there? That is 12 noon. See, 38.5. This is 30 and this is 9. 38.5. That is 38.5. So this is the temperature and time you can see here like that, 12 noon. This is the 12 noon. So the patient's temperature 38.5 degrees Celsius at the time of 12 noon. Question number 3, the patient's temperature was the same two times during the period given. What were these two times? So here the patient's temperature was same at 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. You can see in the graph. In this graph you can see this is the same temperature. This is the same temperature when we have to show the time. So 1 p.m. at 1 p.m. and at 2 p.m. the temperature was the same. See the next question number 4. This is the fourth one. What was the temperature at 1:30 p.m.? How did you arrive at your answer? Now we have to show the temperature at 1:30 p.m. You can see in the graph between the time 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. is parallel to the x-axis and the temperature at 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. is 36.5 degree Celsius. So the temperature at 1:30 p.m. is 36.5 degree Celsius. You can see here 36.5 here between the 1 and 2 p.m. we have to show this. This is 36.5 degree Celsius. See the next question. Next question says, during which periods did the patient's temperature showed an upward trend? So from the graph, during the following periods, the patient's temperature showed an upward trend 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. then 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. This is the solution number 1. So you can understand easily these all the questions of graph, and you have to complete this chapter in your notebook too.